right now, open enrollment season is closing soon, and I know there is a lot of confusion that goes along with it. So Mark recently chatted with the folks at Island Doctors to get some answers. Mark?
Right now, it's open enrollment for Medicare, and a lot of people out there are having some problems finding the plan that works best for them or their families. And I have Rita Smith right now with Island Doctors to tell us all about their plan. Welcome to the show.
Thanks a lot. It's a great pleasure being here, and thank you all for having us. As you know, Island Doctors is one of the primary MSOs, which is medical service organizations for seniors in the state. We control a large population of seniors, have been for about 25 years, 30 locations. Jacksonville is where our home base is, where we are, and our new office is open in Jax Beaches.
And you know, one of the things we were talking earlier about this, when it comes to the patient, you know, the viewer at home, they really get a hands-on approach. They get a lot of time with the physicians, and that's so important to learn about their medical background. Can you talk about that with this program?
Sure. Island Doctors is one of those old school by Dr. Roy Hinman, which puts that policy out everywhere. We don't have EMR. We're still paper charts. He doesn't play about that. Also, the most important thing our seniors need to understand, especially everybody's been focused on the election that's gone now, remember, they need to get something that's not going to cost them money. Island Doctors got same-day appointments. That means no wait. And it's zero premiums for the Medicare Advantage HMO Go. That's going to save our seniors a ton of money. Our people are getting hit with a lot of information. They're getting scared,
right,
which has really offended me this year, how some organizations are talking to them into getting more than what they need. They hadn't done that, you know, and we've really made a big effort to team up with Humana to get this right, and they've done an excellent job at doing it. You know?
With Humana, we have Oliver right now.
Yeah, we got Oliver.
So Oliver, welcome to the show, and obviously you're with Humana. Can you talk about your side of things with the program Island Doctors?
Absolutely. Thanks for having me on the show. So Humana offers plans specific for folks on Medicare, and we partner with Island Doctors to provide great well-being. Of course, we pay the bills when people get sick, but the plans really revolve around preventive care. We want to give people the tools necessary to lead a healthy lifestyle. So our plans incorporate a lot more than just original Medicare. And as Rita's mentioned, there's no premium with the plan, and we try and keep their costs as low as possible. And we really rely on our relationship with Island Doctors to treat our members and keep them well.
And when you talk about preventative care, a big part of that is understanding the patient when they walk in. And we spoke about this. And if you could dive into that too, when people come in, you guys do such a thorough analysis and really understand their background. The doctors meet with the patient to know the course and the plan ahead of them.
Absolutely. So our role at the beginning of the game is to find out what plan suits their needs best. What are they really looking for? And we want to make sure that we find the plan that provides the most tools to them. And then we want to help select a doctor for them. Island Doctors has been a wonderful partner where we've had great results of the patients getting a lot of time with their physician and getting on a great road to health.
And then we talk about access all the time, right? Yes. Access is so important with healthcare. You guys actually provide transportation for people that need it, correct?
Yeah, we really do that, and we need to see them as often as we can. The national average tells us from the employee benefit that seniors 65 and over are going to spend unnecessarily 20% of their income on health care. So we try to alleviate that. The second is the access. How many times do we need to see them? Island Doctors, the average patient will see his physician 9.2 times a year. The national average is only 2.3.
Wow.
So we try to get them in as much because we're all about, as Oliver said, prevention, you know, weight, cholesterol. So we had a woman the other day, 6 months ago, 14 prescriptions a day, 74 pounds overweight, lost 62 pounds. She takes 1 pill a day now.
That's amazing.
The proof's in the pudding.
That really is an eye-opener. Again, prevention, getting her on the right track, if you will. Now, let's talk about, again, it's so hard to navigate healthcare right now. It can be overwhelming, but you guys have an open house coming up. It's November 30th, 11 o'clock, and that allows people to go out there that are shopping right now really to learn all about what you guys do. So what can they expect?
Right. So first off, it's going to be right here at this Jax Beach Island Doctors location. We help you muddle through all of the ins and outs of Medicare. What are your options under Medicare? And then specifically how the Humana Gold Plus plan works and what all the benefits are and how they can take advantage of it through Island Doctors and with Humana.
Great. So there's going to be a lot of good information. There's also a gift basket. There's limited availability, so come early, but they're always looking out for you. So just an extra incentive just to make your day a little bit easier. The number is 877-434-4676. So you could call that number or you could go to islanddoctors.com. Guys, thanks again for all the information. I appreciate it.